So guys, this is everything that happened to my 250cc race mower after I wrecked it into the fence. So after I hit the fence and wrecked into it, being an idiot, I was going super fast and drifting super hard, but you know, it's super fun. But this is everything that happened to it. Starting off is my hood is now completely trashed. The bumper saved a lot of it. Otherwise, I would have probably dented in, messed up maybe the engine if it wasn't for that bumper. Helped move the fence out of the way. Then I ran into it. But at least my light cover is not damaged. But everything else, it's really broken away at. It's already been repaired once, right there. But nothing with the steering, which is very good. But I'm just gonna have to roll without a hood for a little bit. But otherwise, nothing else happened really much. Look down the frame, nothing's bent. None of my welds came undone. My tires are still straight, so that's good. She still runs like a champ. Runs drifts so easy. So, guys, I hope you've been enjoying these build series and this mower. And I just need to do some more stuff to this thing, and then she'll be running perfect. But I have a 250cc Zongshin motor in here from a dirt bike. Had 0 hours on it, so this is one of my best builds yet. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Thanks for watching all my videos and stuff. Stay tuned for more stuff, and please subscribe. Thank you.